Hello everyone, my name is Anshu Moir and I have created a residential building in Arcade 22 software using the various tools present here like wall, slab, beam. I have created a two-story building here by using wall, beam, plinth and slab sections here. The first thing which I did was to create a grid system for which you have to go to the design menu and then click on the grid system. Here first I created a grid system as per the client requirement. Then after creating the grid system, I placed the beams, walls, top beam, slab and so on to create my residential building. For each section, you can modify their individual properties by going in their default menu, like changing their width, breadth, height, etc. Here you can see like my 3D model of my residential building. By clicking on the orbit menu, you can view around the building. Now we will going to explore our project. So at the first, we are going in the ground floor. Here you can see I placed different kind of objects like sofas, kitchen, bedroom, wardrobe, etc. I have created balconies too for this residential building. By clicking on the objects menu, you can view the different story. Like here I am seeing the first story 2D map of my building. You can click on the second story to see the second story layout. And now we are going to see the different quantities by going in the document menu and then going to the schedule section and then clicking on the components by layer. Here we can see the different types of material quantity that has been used in creating this residential building, and you can use these quantities to create an estimate of our project in the Primavera software. We can see different quantities of for each floor by going to the same process by clicking on the component by layer option. And here in the object section you can place different kind of objects to your 3D model. Like for example, we are going to place a car. Now we can create the creative image of our project by going in the document section, then clicking on the creative imaging section, and we can render our project. We can change the rendering section of our project by clicking on the photo rendering settings option. By clicking on this, we can change the setting of our background. We can change the background color, background type, quality of the image, etc.